All right now, everybody, it's a beautiful day out here now, and we're gonna split some wood. This is that wood I got from my customer. I think it's it's walnut and Osage orange and a little bit of elm. So I brought the 30-ton Power Connects today, obviously because it has more power. Also because I need to run it out of gas, and it just needs to be run from time to time. But also, thirdly and lastly, because it has a longer throw on the hydraulic ram here. I think we got about 26 inches on this particular splitter. Now my Hyper Split has a smaller throw on the hydraulic cylinder. Anyway, so this wood is not all cut to size. If it can fit in here, I'm going to go ahead and split it and save time. That's the whole deal, because you get these pieces that are about 27 inches long and you cut them in half, and that's 13 inches, two 13-inch. It's not really a great deal, and there's a lot of that going on in here. So I still got to process this wood, cut it up, a lot of it. Some of this walnut here is all good to go, but the rest of it, I brought my Stihl 025, so I'm going to go ahead and split this wood, and then we'll come through and buck it up with my 025. It's got a little bit of a dulled up chain on it already. This wood's been sitting around in the dirt and the mud, but it is Osage orange, so it's pretty rot resistant, but it does have some coating around the outside there, if you know what I'm saying on that deal. Anyways, let me get my apron on here, get fired up, and start splitting some wood. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I probably shouldn't even have to say anything to you guys. I've had people tell me you should ask people to subscribe. Go ahead and say something to remind them. So I do, but I feel like it's kind of annoying at the same time. So anyways, I may stop asking about the subscribes, because really I need video views more than subscriptions right now. So there's that. Anyway, so watch some videos or subscribe or whatever, I don't care. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. We'll get this splitter fired up, and then maybe do a little bit of cutting here in a little bit. You want to do a little cutting? We're going to do a little cutting. So here we go. Let's see if this thing still works now. Bunny rabbit mode engaged. nice little pile of some Osage orange wood and some walnut and a little bit of elm. Now this is that wood that was not to size, and I think, like I said, the Power Connects is either 24 or 26 inches. It's pretty long. Sorry, I don't know the exact. It might be 26, but a piece like this right here just barely wouldn't fit in there. And if it would fit, I went ahead and split it. If it fits in that, it fits in my fireplace at home. So I wouldn't mind saving that wood for myself to burn next year. One day when I have an empty truck, I'll just have to haul it home someday this winter. Sometime that opportunity will present itself, I'm sure. But I'm just putting it there for now because I don't know that it will be dry, but it will be some good hot burning wood for next year. So I got my little Stihl 025 out here. I'm just gonna go ahead and buck this stuff up. Like I said, a piece like that, it's about 26 inches long. Just gonna cut it in half. Don't really care. Like I said, it may be my own wood, and I seriously don't care for my own self, and it would probably even sell that way. So here we go. Let me get to bucking now. Okay, now I got that wood bucked up. I'm going to go ahead and finish my splitting here today. You've pretty much seen it all. I'm going to just throw it on the pile over there. Got another little bit of wood. I don't know, a decent little amount. Not quite a half a rick, maybe about a half a rick of wood. So I'm going to get on that. It'll probably take me 20-30 minutes. Thanks for joining me today. Now I got a nice little load of some wood, some good kausokula. I'm going to have a hard time passing that up. I want to burn it by myself. I always want to sample everything, but like I said, it's always good to keep the lights on too, so that's a different kind of special, you know what I mean? If you sell it to somebody, keep the lights on. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time.